To support this exciting renewal this morning, I'm pleased to announce that on May 17th, 2026, that we're inviting Americans from all across the country to come together on our national mall to pray, to give thanks, and we are going to do something that everyone said, like, that's tough. We're going to rededicate America as one nation under God. You know, a lot of people... Yeah, thank you very much. It's good. That's what I mean by the Spirit. It's so incredible to see it. I see it so much. I've never seen anything like it in 1 year. I thought it would take 2 years, 3 years, 4 years to be where we are. We've done it in, really 10 months. We're at 12, but now it's just getting to a level that we've never reached before as a country. But that includes religion. And maybe that's part of the reason that we're doing so well. There's such great spirit. It's all spirit, and it includes religion. I've always said, you just can't have a great country if you don't have religion. You have to believe in something. You have to believe that what we're doing, there's a reason for it. There has to be a reason for it. We're all working and we're behaving. I behave because I'm afraid not to, okay? Because I don't want to get in trouble.
Hello everyone, good to have you on my YouTube channel. Please, if you're watching this video up till now, that means you like what you're saying. Please do subscribe to this YouTube channel and also like this video. Thank you so much. Okay, from the video you can see that the United States President Donald Trump actually gave an announcement for the rededication of America back to God in Thanksgiving, calling on all Americans all over the world to return home on a particular day at May for Thanksgiving. You know, when you thank God for what He has done, there's every tendency that He will do more. It also applies in our daily life. Whenever you do something for someone and the person says thank you, you always like to do better in appreciation for whatsoever the person has done. So I think this move by the United States President is a good move to bring all sundry back in love and unity and in progress. So I want you to leave a comment. What do you think about the action of the United States President? Do you think it's something that will favor the United States citizens? I want to see your comment right in the comment section. Thank you very much. And I must say that one reason that the United States of America is moving forward is because the United States President, Donald Trump, is a very God-fearing man. It is not everyone at his level and position will submit to be God-fearing and submit to God at his level. But for him to come up with this type of move is a good thing to me. And I don't know about you. So I want to hear your comment. What do you think about this action, this move? Is it something that you think will favor America? Because I know that whatever favors America will also in turn be a good thing or bad, a blessing or some other thing to other countries of the world. So whatever is your opinion, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.